At EV Installations, two of our core values are growth and excellence. The EV market is a fast-growing emerging market, which really excites us, and we thrive in these type of industries. We've worked with Strata for a number of years through our sister electrical company, and we were getting questions from a number of Strata managers about how they start getting ready for EV infrastructure in their building. And we noticed that there was a significant gap in the understanding of what's required, the solutions to be able to deliver these kind of projects, and also the skills that contractors had in order to be able to install these projects. Safety and compliance is a major concern for Strata managers, so it is our number one priority at EV Installations. We deliver on this by having expert electricians who are very experienced in this type of work that are licensed. We also align ourselves with all the Australian standards, and we also assist with the incumbent fire contractor in these buildings to ensure that the fire standards are met also. At the end of the job, we always complete thorough testing and commissioning to ensure that everything is safe and compliant and up to standard.